Hey, I'm Ashley and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So happy to have you. Today I'm taking you through my daily curly hair routine and I'm really excited to be sharing this with you. It's probably my #1 asked question, and so I have a lineup of my favorite products and I'm showing you exactly what I do to my hair every day. Let's get into it. As you can see, out of the shower, my hair is sopping wet. I'm gonna try to keep it wet because I'm trying to style it and record, so I need to try to keep it wet as long as I can. But normally I would use this little hair microfiber towel turban situation. And what you do is you just bend over and put this over top of the hair like this and twist the hair up and pin it back. I do love that. I'm actually gonna use it just to get some of the ends though. Got these salon clips at Target. I'm just gonna divide my hair into 4 sections, pin these ones up, and this will help to keep the hair wet while I work on the other sections of my hair. I already feel that it's drying, which is kind of surprising because my hair will hold water for a long time. I think that just goes to show how dry it is here in Minneapolis right now. So my hair was already parted from the shower, but normally I would just use a comb like this to part it down the middle. Sometimes I wear it on the side and I'll just use my natural part. Right now I'm gonna use this denman brush to detangle my hair. And today we are going to use the Way Curl Cream. I'm using the fragrance-free version. I have both. I actually helped to test the product, and the fragrance version smells really good, but I am trying to keep the fragrance that goes on my head as low as possible. Here's the Way product. And I'll try to let you see what it looks like. These 2 sections. And just scrunch up the hairs. Trying to get all of them. Okay. I'm gonna hold the hair out. And just detangle. My hand's so slippery. But this brush is amazing. As you can see, I've never styled my hair on camera before, so please don't judge me too much. However, I feel like I always get questions about my hair care routine, and I really wanted to share with people what I do because I wish that I would have had more access to hair care and what to do with my hair back in the day. I really didn't know how to style it or how to take care of it. And all through college, I actually straightened my hair, which completely destroyed it. If there's one thing I suggest, it's not putting heat directly on your hair, especially when you're trying to get your natural hair to grow and when you're trying to get your hair to be more healthy. Staying away from that heat is really, really important. Oh, it's so heavy. I probably should have dried it a little bit more, but we'll do what we can. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Briogeo Curl Charisma line, and I actually use the shampoo and conditioner in the summertime more so, just because it's so dry here. I use the really hydrating hair mask. I'll switch on and off with those 2 things. But right now I'm using the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Quinoa Frizz Control Gel. And I've been using this for a really long time. Have hair like me, and if you have thick hair, you already know that you lose a ton of hair, and I just opened this up, there's just my hair stuck to it, which not everybody needs to see. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere. I'm so sorry, this is gross. It doesn't gross me out, but obviously other people. Okay. This is their gel. That's what that looks like. And now I'm just going to scrunch it into my hair. Okay, I'm going to go through an attempt to finger curl my hair. My hairstylist did this the other day, and I've never done it before. I usually just depend on the weather to give me ringlets. So in the summertime, it's really humid. That's when I really get those nice defined curls. I don't usually expect it in the winter time. The patience though involved with doing this. I don't know if I can do my whole head. And I'm alternating. I think I'm alternating. Let's talk about Brugio. So I really love the brand. It's woman-owned, it's Black owned. They don't use sulfates, parabens. Let me think here. No harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens. And the formulas, I think they're a little bit different, but this one's 93% naturally derived. It says 6 free hair care, no harsh sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, or artificial dyes, and no DEA. Sometimes I will use this gel, and it's specifically for edge control. So up here, and I'll use this brush just to lay my edges a little bit so they don't get all crazy. But this one's great. It's from Target. It's vegan, cruelty-free, phthalate-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. I like it. It's good, and it's nice when you can pick up stuff at Target. Both sides of my hair, they both have the curl cream in, they both have gel in, and I finger curled a couple pieces on both sides, mostly to frame my face. Now I do one of two things. I either hang out and let my hair air dry, and sometimes I'll sit in the window and read a magazine, or just kind of walk around the house. That way the air moves through my hair. Or I recently started diffusing my hair, so I haven't done that in a really long time, but I've just seen so many people online doing it, and I thought I would try it out again. It's really nice for winter because I feel like I can get out the door a little bit faster, and you don't have to go outside with wet hair, which is not good in the first place. I will grab my blow dryer. I don't have like a fancy diffuser or anything, just because I've just started doing it, but let me grab that and show you how I use it. I have my blow dryer, and this little guy's the diffuser. It just pops right onto the end there. And normally when I diffuse on the warm setting, and the low, when you flip it around, there's a little snowflake, and I hold this, it's a whole thing, hold this down. I wish they had a flip for the snowflake so you don't have to hold it down. It's a whole thing. And then rotate it around my head, just like so. I don't usually touch my hair with the diffuser. I've seen some people who kind of gently lay their hair on top of it, but I kind of just go around my head and move my hair a little bit and try to get it to semi-dry. I don't fully dry it with this, but just semi-dry. When I say I'm walking around the house while my hair is drying, that's what I actually mean I'm doing. That's what I'm actually doing. Help. They're so good. I'm legit making enchiladas right now, and I can't stop eating these. Just pulling apart some of these girls that are a little clumped together. I need to insert the 2 hours later, because it honestly takes 2 hours for my hair to dry. When I lightly dry it and then let it air dry on its own, otherwise it can hold water for a very long time. Like if I put my hair up while it's wet, it could be wet all day. I feel like it worked out really well today to do it on wash day because my hair does not grow like this every single day, and especially not in the winter. I'm usually experiencing a lot more frizz, but it looks like it's turning out pretty well. Okay, I moved this chair around 1,000 times to catch the light today, but the hair is finally dry for the most part. Now we're going to break the gel cast in the hair, and that's when you kind of have those crunchy curls, and the gel is just protecting the moisture. What I do is just scrunch it up like this. Could flip your hair all the way over if you want, like this, and scrunch it up. Now we're just trying to get that volume, and it's much easier to get in the summertime. Sometimes I do that just to get volume at my roots, but I don't want these front curls to get frizzy. I think the hair turned out good today. It's nice when you have like the defined curls in the front. I just recently got my hair colored and it turned out so good. I was so pleased. I just really trusted the person that did my hair, and he did an amazing job. I'm really excited to go into spring and summer with the curls. Maybe I'll have to do like a curly hairstyle video. I've been experimenting more lately. This is just kind of my everyday routine. Like I said, some days I don't section, like if I'm in a rush, I won't section off my hair. I just kind of throw everything in. But if I really want the curls to look good, that's what I do. Minus the shampoo. I only shampoo 1 to 2 times per week. Everything else I do mostly on the daily. I will link all of the products for you in the bio. Otherwise, you can just head over to my like to know. It's Ashley Caprian. And I also have Ashley Caprian as an Amazon shop too. So I appreciate you guys hanging out. Please leave any curly questions below. I'm not an expert, but I know a little bit. Each year I'm learning more and more about my curly hair, and it's been a fun experience. Like I said, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to stick around, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.